Once upon a time, in a magical forest called Whispering Woods, there lived a group of fairies who were known for their kind hearts and gentle spirits. The fairies were tiny beings with shimmering wings, and they loved to play among the flowers and trees. But most of all, they loved to share their wisdom with anyone who crossed their path. In a cozy cottage at the edge of Whispering Woods, there lived two siblings, Mia and Leo. They were adventurous and curious, always dreaming of exploring the world beyond their cottage. One day, as they wandered near the forest, they heard laughter and saw a flicker of light. They followed the light and found themselves in the midst of a gathering of fairies. The fairies greeted Mia and Leo with twinkling smiles and invited them to join their party. The siblings were delighted and danced with the fairies until they were tired and ready to rest. But before they left, the oldest fairy, Flora, called them over. "Dear Mia and Leo," Flora said kindly, "we are so happy you joined us tonight. As a token of our friendship, we want to give you each a gift." The fairies handed Mia a delicate, glowing flower and gave Leo a sparkling stone. "These gifts are special," Flora explained. "They will remind you of the magic in the world, but they also carry a lesson. The flower represents kindness and how it brings beauty to the world. The stone represents patience and how it helps us stay strong in any situation." Mia and Leo thanked the fairies and returned home with their gifts. As they walked back to their cottage, they talked about the fairies' lesson and how they could use it in their own lives. The next day, Mia and Leo were playing in the garden when they noticed a tired butterfly struggling to fly. Mia remembered the flower and its lesson of kindness. She gently picked up the butterfly and placed it on a flower so it could rest. Leo, on the other hand, saw a little sapling that had been knocked down by the wind. He remembered the stone and its lesson of patience. He carefully planted the sapling back in the ground and supported it with a stick. As the days passed, Mia and Leo found more ways to practice kindness and patience. They helped a neighbor with her garden, shared their toys with friends, and waited their turn at the market with smiles. Every night, Mia and Leo went to bed with happy hearts. They dreamed of the fairies and how their gifts had taught them valuable lessons. They knew that the magic of kindness and patience would stay with them forever, and so, Mia and Leo continued to live their lives with kindness and patience, bringing joy to everyone around them. And the fairies of Whispering Woods watched over them, happy to see the magic of their gifts alive in the world. The moral of the story is that kindness and patience are gifts that bring beauty and strength to our lives. When we practice these virtues, we can make the world a better place for everyone.